Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you all back. If you're new here, welcome as well. Today is a day that finally feels like fall here. It is a cool, breezy, rainy day and it just feels so cozy. We're just going to be getting a few things done today. I'm going to get the kitchen cleaned up after breakfast this morning, and then we are going to be making some pumpkin spice like donut muffin little bite things. I was trying to find something that was lower sugar, so we're gonna do like a low sugar version, and these actually turned out so good. They were just super tasty, so I'll share that recipe with you all as well. And then we're going to be doing some laundry, and I am going to share with you guys a huge grocery haul I did at the end of this video: Walmart, Sam's Club, and Aldi's, and just share with you the meals that we're doing for this coming week. As I headed outside this morning to do my chores, collecting eggs, feeding the goats and stuff like that, I was looking around, noticing that all the leaves are finally starting to change, and I just loved the way one of the maple trees was looking. So I went out and snagged a branch off of that and made this cute little centerpiece, and I just think it looks so gorgeous. So these are my loofahs. I just picked one yesterday evening just to see what it looked like. It was a smaller one, and it's still green, and I have not processed them green before, but I'm gonna have to, because looks like we might be having a frost coming up, and if they get hit by the frost, then they're not any good. So we're going to process them in a few days, but I just wanted to peel one and see how it looked. I'm so excited. I love my homegrown sponges. So you can see out of one of the windows just how windy it is. It is so windy, but it just feels like the perfect fall day. Welcome back. I'm going to go over my grocery haul with you all today. Sam's Club, Aldi, and Walmart. So I'll start off with my Sam's Club order just because I want to get some of this meat and milk into the fridge and a few of the other things. We went there mainly for I needed trash bags. So I had gotten a whole big thing of trash bags. They are in the car. And then I got a huge case of water. I got the milk. I always get the milk from there. And then we stocked up on our fruit. I always check Sam's for their fruit because honestly they have the best deals. We got these raspberries for like a little over $3. And then we got some Cosmic Crisp apples. And the bananas, all of them were so green today, but I still grabbed some and hopefully they will ripen up over the next couple days or so. I needed some lunch meat, so I grabbed the honey roasted turkey breast. That's pretty good. And then I got a thing of bread, and then I'll just put one of these breads in the freezer and then pull that out when we need it. And of course, I could not leave without a rotisserie chicken. I always like to get one of these, and we'll do like chicken salad. I actually have a chicken pot pie on the menu for this week. And you know, the kids like to eat just the chicken legs. And then I had to buy ground beef. I was sad because I had to buy ground beef because we just ran out of our last pack of beef last week. And usually we process our own cattle, but we don't have anything to process right now. We just have one calf left. Two of our mama cows that make the babies for us, they actually passed away a couple months ago, like back to back. Like one passed away, and then like 3 weeks later, the other one passed away, and they were only 4 years old. We don't know what happened. We don't know if they got a hold of like a cherry tree, like a wilted cherry limb. We have no idea what happened. So we lost both of our cows, and we just have one of the calves left from one of the cows. So she is a stubborn little turd, I'll tell you. She gets out all the time, and we've had to kind of lock her up right now so she can hopefully learn her lesson. But we will not be processing her. We hope to have her make our babies for us in the near future. So right now we are back to buying ground beef. Now I would also get this from like a local market or something, but today at Sam's Club I just grabbed the 3-pack of the organic ground beef, which is $18.96. Now I'll tell you, on the menu for this week I have a chicken pot pie, we have a pot roast, and then we have a I was trying to do stuffed shells, but Walmart was out of their large or their jumbo shells, so we're gonna do just manicotti with like ricotta cheese sauce. So we've got that, and then I grabbed also a pizza from Sam's. This is the best deal. For $8.98, you can get this whole large, delicious pizza for the kids. This is for the kids. I will not be eating this evening because we have some after-school activities, so they will have that for this evening. And then I've got 3 meals planned for the rest of the week, and I'm sure like the pot roast will be a leftover meal, so we should be covered for the entire week for dinners. All right, from Walmart, I am going to be making some chicken salad with this rotisserie, so I grabbed these good thin crackers, and I'm telling you what, I don't think there's any crackers in here. It is the lightest little box. I'm like, where are the crackers at? There's probably going to be like this many. I got some yogurt drinks for the kids. And then for the pot roast, I really wanted to try this tenders. I don't usually get one of these. I usually just make up my own like gravy and stuff. But I did want to try this Sunday pot roast with rich gravy for our pot roast. And I did grab a little dress for one of the kids. It's like, they have the cutest little dresses right now for $5.98. So I grabbed this one with a little snowflake. So that'll be kind of for her down the road. Large thing of Prego. Celery for my chicken salad. Husband really likes these Doritos, nacho cheese, and munchies. Manicotti noodles. Grabbed a box of Cheez-Its. A Texas toast. Pie crust for the chicken pot pie. And then we really like this sugar in the raw for oatmeal and coffee and stuff. I forgot to mention I got Little Bites muffins at Sam's Club. And then from Aldi's, I got chicken nuggets, some almond milk, marshmallows and stars. We get our cereal and stuff from Aldi's because it is dye-free. I know it's still not the best ingredient, but we do try to avoid the dyes. And I'm telling you what, if your kids like Lucky Charms, these are 100 times better than a Lucky Charms. Vanilla wafers, trail mix. I needed to restock on Ziploc baggies, pepperonis, cheese sticks, and then block cheese. These little meat sticks, a pack of carrots, some butter, cream of chicken for the chicken pot pie. We already have mixed vegetables and chicken broth, so I usually just do chicken broth, mixed vegetables, and a can of cream of chicken, salt and pepper. Add that into the pie filling, and it's just so simple like that. We got some hummus. We needed to stock up on our Parmesan cheese. And I did grab this brown gravy mix packet before I found the tenders one. I grabbed a thing of sweet potatoes, apple straw, salad stuff. I got that, and then shredded lettuce, and then some unsweetened applesauce. We needed to restock our peanut butter, and Aldi's also has the best peanut butter. Ricotta cheese, and then a package of avocados, and I needed to stock up on some baking supplies, flour, sugar, powdered sugar, and brown sugar. So all in all, that is it for my grocery haul. I think I spent a total of around maybe like $230, $240. I'll have to add it up and do the math. It's just expensive. You can't get nowhere with anything. So that's everything. Snacks, dinners. We've got lunch stuff here that I can make with all this, and usually I'll just do like leftovers or a protein shake. I mean, we still got stuff in the pantry and stuff too, so that is everything. Listen, I forgot to mention on there that I got some cat food. So we're actually gonna go feed Candy Cat now. She's our adopted stray cat. She showed up here, like, I remember pulling up to the house one day. It wasn't fully built or anything yet, and I saw the cat running. I'm like, oh no. But
Mommy,
this sweet little cat, yeah.
could I just see a Candy Cat up here and I would eat again?
Yep, I think she's out there. I think I saw her. But she is the sweetest little cat. We did have a little mishap one time. And I've told this story before.
She is out there.
Okay, where I went out to go feed her one time, and her tail got slammed in the door by complete accident. And she turned around and bit me, and the door swung back open, and she ran into the house and ran into my bedroom. I could not find her anywhere. Well, come to find out, she ended up in the undercarriage. Like, I have these drawers underneath my bed. She climbed up in it. And my husband saw her tail hanging down, so he grabbed her, and I'm telling you what, I didn't know what to do after that. I said, no more. But she was gone for like 2 weeks after that, and then she came back, and she really is the sweetest little thing. So anyway, I just grabbed her some cat food from Aldi's. Should we give her chicken, salmon, or beef?
Cat food.
Chicken, salmon, or beef?
Cat food.
Chicken, salmon, or beef? How about this? Pick red, orange, or pink.
Pink.
Salmon, okay. Here she is, Candy Cat. Oh yeah, is that good? Is that good? You guys better stay back and let her eat her food. Quit pooping on my porch. No, no.